Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Avatarm. So, today we are going to see very important topic: how to find a position of a term in geometric progression (GP). Okay. So, still, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe it for such type of news on mathematics. Okay. So, let's start today's session now. Suppose, suppose A1, A2, A3. This series is going. Okay. And an term is okay. This series is going. This is GP. Okay, this is GP. Okay. Now someone can ask, uh, what is uh, what is the what is the position of B in this GP? Because B will be somewhere. So what is the position? So how we'll do such question? Let let A be the first term of this GP and common ratio is R. Ratio is R. Let N is the position of B in this GP. Okay. If N is the position of this GP, then what is nth term? B is An. B B is nth term of this GP. Okay. If if B is the nth term, it means An is equal to B. Okay. And what is the formula of nth term in a GP? Tell me, what is the nth term? Okay. What is the nth term's formula of GP? A R to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. Now you know A, okay, you B know B and you know R. Then what you will do? Solve this equation for n. Okay. Then you will get the position of B in GP. Okay. So it will be clear by example. Okay. Example. What is the position of 1024 in the GP 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Okay. Solution. So tell me, so GP is given to 4. If it is not written that this is in GP, still you can check whether something is in GP or not. Okay. So what is the first term? First term is A is equal to is first term is 2. What is common ratio? R is equal to common ratio. What is that? That is 4 upon 2, that is 2. Or you can take 8 upon 4, or you can take 16 upon 8. Okay, 2 times. Now, what is my B here? B is, let the position of 1024 is N. Okay, then it means nth term is B, because I have taken, let the position of B. B is 1024. Okay, so A R to the power n minus 1 is B. So what is the value of A? That is 2. 2. And what is the value of R? That is also, that is also 2. N minus 2. Okay. Now what is this? 2 to the power n. Power will add. Okay. 2 to the power, I can write 1024, 2 to the power 10. This implies, comparing both the side, this implies n is equal to 10. The position of 1024 in this GP is at 10th place. It means it is 10th term. Okay, it is done. Now, question number second. Example number 2. Okay. Okay. What is the position of 2 to the power 9 into 1 plus under root 3 in the program 1 plus under root 3 to 1 plus under root 3. Okay. 4 1 plus under root 3, 8 1 plus under root 3, and so on like that. Okay. Solution: 1 plus under root 3. Okay. 2 1 plus under root 3, 4 1 plus under root 3, 8 1 plus under root 3. Okay. Now you see that what is first term? You divide second term by first term, you will get 2. You divide third term by second term, you will get 2. You divide fourth term by third term, you will get 2. It means common ratio R is equal to is 2. This is in GP, because the ratio of next term with previous term is common, that is 2. So common ratio is 2. This is in GP. So okay, let the position of B is equal to 2 to the power 9, 1 plus under root 3 is N. Okay. Then what is AN? AN term is B. What is the formula of this? AR to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. Okay. So this is 1 plus under root 3. What is R? R is 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power 1 plus under 1. This will be cancelled out. 2 to the power n minus 1 is 2 to the power n. Okay, comparing both the sides. So this implies n minus 1 is equal to 9. It means n is equal to 10. The position of 2 to the power 9, 1 plus under root 3 in this GP is at 10th place. Okay. 10th place. Okay. So we can see another example. Okay. What is the position of what is the position of what is the position of minus 16 in the GP? Sorry, I want to change. What is the position of okay, okay. What is the position of 1? What is the position of okay. mm, Position of 192 in the GP this. Okay, we have to find the position. Solution 3, 12, 48. You see that what is first term? You divide second term by first term, you will get 4. You will divide third term by 2, you will get 4. It means common ratio is R is that is 4. Okay, 4. To divide 12 by 3, you will get 4. You to divide 48 by 12, you will get 4. Common ratio is 4. Okay, let the position of B is equal to 194 is n. Then an is equal to b. A r to the power n minus 1 b. What is a? A is 3. What is r? B is 192. To divide by 3. Okay. So this implies 4 n to the power minus 1. You can write 64, 4 to the power 3. Okay. This implies n minus 1 is 3. Okay. It means the position of 192 in this GP is fourth place. Okay. So today's session up to this, if you have any problem related to this session, or if you have any query problem related to this session, you can comment me on my YouTube channel. I will take care. I will discuss in next session. So like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's session. Thank you very much. We will see you in next session.